Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 6 and our today's topic is assignment number 4. It is assignment number 4. Let's start our today's topic. Here, assignment number 4, lecture number 8 and it is annual term. Dear students, you have gotten the assignment, then here is the instruction how you will do the assignment. Here are the tasks for the assignment. It is you have to do this assignment following this lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is based on chapter 4. Okay, you have to make a list. Here I have given, make a report on it how you will apply 5 of your good qualities to your parents and relatives. Make a list of the good qualities that exist in you. Here you have to make a report. Okay, dear students, listen carefully. In report there is no to the principal or to the authority, something like that. Okay, here report is a body. The body there should be a body, and here first here the description of these qualities here what based on these lessons. Okay, here the instruction are given here. Example of akhlaq-e hamida and what to do with parents and relatives. Example of practice patience in one's own life. Okay, based on these lessons you have to describe this. Okay, here task I have given. On these lessons instruction akhlaq-e hamida, you have to explain what is akhlaq-e hamida. Example, give the example of akhlaq-e hamida and how your behavior attitude will be towards your parents, towards your relatives. Okay, example of patience in one's own life, you should give some example of this. Okay, based on these lessons you have to describe this assignment number 4. And of course here is a report. Report should be every report have a description, body and conclusion, introduction, these things. Okay, these are described here, should describe it carefully. And dear students, here are the HW of vacation. HW means you are getting the puja vacation. HW number 7 you have gotten, write 5 duties or some duties towards your neighbors. This is same, it is your vacation HW. Okay, vacation HW is HW number 7, so you have to do it is in your vacation as your vacation HW, and during this vacation you have to do this assignment number 4 also. And after fulfilling the vacation you have to submit this HW and this assignment also. Okay, dear students, during this vacation you have to do this assignment, do the small HW. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.